Hi, this is Matt from Prestige Quoting, and this short video will be looking at some brand new reports I've created with QuoteWerks. These have been created from scratch and give you an insight into key business intelligence into your business. So the first one is an outstanding quotes report, and this will have a look within a date range for all documents at the status of open. So if we go ahead and preview, choose our date range, we then have a very simple report broken down by user. So you can see I have admin and all those quotes, and then power user and all of those quotes. We can see the contact, the date, the reference number, cost, sell, profit and margin percentage for each outstanding quote, and then the totals within those, and then a total across the whole business. We then have quotes by status, which is very similar, apart from this will not only include those that are open, it will also include quotes at other statuses. So for example, I have my admin quotes and all those that are open, and I can see I've got 5, and then for the same admin user, I can see that I've got 4. One there identifies we've got no company or no contact somehow. And then so I can see that I've got 5 open for admin and I've got 4 that are 1, again within that date range that I've selected. And we then come on to the second user, and again we have a total of the total number of quotes irrespective of status within that date range. Quote to order conversion does what it says really. It will simply look at all of the quotes in the system, again per user, number of orders that have been taken, and will give us a percentage. So I can see that based on individual user and also across the business. Quote to order day differential. Now this will have a look, again since a particular date, of all of the quotes that have been converted to order and the number of days it took. Now in this demo system, quite a bad example, but they were all actually converted on the same day. What we in the real world would be seeing would be a number of days between the quote being created and the order being converted. And we'd be able to see, our average is 100% were completed within 0 and 6 days. In the real world, of course, we would start to see different numbers just here. 0 orders since a chosen date. What this will do after prompting for a date is display a list of all companies that have placed orders in the past but not since our nominated date. So in this case, since the 1st of January 2017, these 2 companies just here have placed no orders. But they have placed orders. We can see their most recent was back in November, again for a certain value just there. Orders placed, again within a date range, and again I've got that broken down by user. We'll very simply give a list of all orders that have been placed, again profit, percentages, etc. Very similar to our first 2 reports at the top. And then total and profit per client. Now this is broken down not by user but by company. So here we can see the number of orders placed within my date range. We can see that for Legal Help Inc. we have 3. And again, we can see total cost, sell, profit and percentage. Hopefully you feel these will be a good introduction to QuoteWerks reporting. If you want these extended or new reports created, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.